On another love, on another engine save. Is it working? There I am. Wait. What do we have? What is happening? Ah, come on. Get me my... OMG. Connect. Oh, this is not okay. Are these dying? Is this the issue? If they are dying, I would be very unhappy. Okay, I can see them. Well, this is not good. I remove that device. Apple is infamous to just let the devices go weirdly not working when their coverage expires. Which is happening with this one. The radio is not working. It is connecting to iPhone. Is it? Connect. That is so frustrating. Make sure it is connected in range, whatever. Not cool, man. There it is. Ah, they are out of juice all of a sudden. So is there something wrong with their charging? Is this the problem? Okay, we will keep it charging and let's see what happens. I hope I don't lose the I hope I don't miss any events. Let's continue. We have our usual bots as always. But here we are. Guys, let's go. I have so much stuff to do. I have done like weird experimentations which were very cool. I started doing some normal maps and then things get very weird. Check this out. Look at this. That is some very weird shit. I can make this light effect bigger. Yeah. Now it almost feels like it has a solid body. All of which we are going to... I will play around with this. So let's pick this up. I can go now. You see, we have our light effects and everything, which is very cool. But before that, what I want to do is, for now, let's go back to our this thing. This directional light should be off anyway. So this is our starting point once again. I may have broken some textures. So what I'm going to do is, I realized of conflict. Let me get my lights. We need some conflict. Right now, there is no cost for anything, basically. So what I'm thinking is to basically create some conflicts, some cost for action. And in order to do that, I'm going to do game state, basically. Can we get open in external program, get the GD script connected, nice. And then we will get the open folder, open this folder, nice. Cool, so here we are going to get the game state. Can we just see the GD files? Can we make it filter? Type to filter, GD. We only see the GD files, which is quite nice, actually. What was it? Nice. Okay. So these are my GD files. Game state. So here I want to do some player state. Player state. Yes. Transformer inventory. This is definitely a player state. Is movement disabled is another player state, and I'm not doing it. We are going to say energy level, energy, which let's say 100, sure. And then I will make my robot have a energy level, and each action will cost some energy, and then there will be stations that are charging. There will be recharging stations. So this will create a conflict. If the resources are infinite, then there is no challenge and there is no value in your actions. So if you make something scarce, that would create some kind of choice. That will create some kind of value to the actions. So this is what we are going to do. What I am thinking is every movement and every action, including the pickups, will have a cost. Yeah. This is what we are going to do. Okay. So what I'm going to do as well is to change the to-do list. It is here, to do, open, implement energy, create some conflicts, and maybe camera switch animations, something like that. Yeah. So here we are. We have energy, and maybe hood. We also need a hood. Let's also do that. Hello, notorious Usama AK-47. When I program for about an hour, I start feeling bored. How can you work for long hours? I guess this is about okay. Well, this is first about your personal this is about what you like and what you don't like, first of all. And second of all, I guess you get certain affinity. I don't know your background. I don't know your current situation or your experience. But I guess if it is not challenging enough, for me personally, I get bored when the things is not challenging enough or meaningless. So I can only speak for my personal experience, and for now, coding is neither of those two for me. The current thing I'm doing. I had jobs in the past where the tasks I had to do were very boring because it was not challenging at all. The repository that I'm working with was kind of old and not well maintained, and I had to work with that state without tackling any kind of technical debt, because the product owner was prioritizing adding new features instead of improving the code base. And I didn't like working in that project. So that was boring. And with that project, I was getting tired after short amount of times. So yeah, it is possible either if it is, as I said, if it is not challenging or if it is not meaningful. Yeah, that's, I would say this as an answer. Okay, welcome by the way. So anyway, I'm gonna introduce an energy, and every action will cost some energy, like moving. So we are gonna say in my movement handler, hello curry sauce connoisseur, welcome. I am great, thank you very much. How are you? I'm having a great day. I realized we are missing a conflict in our game, which is like an actually something we have to begin with. Each game needs a conflict for the player, and the missing conflict was we were taking actions like movement and picking up and opening the doors. Those are just fine, but there is nothing valuable about them because we are not using anything. We are not, they don't cost us anything at all, meaning I can do infinite actions here, infinite transformations, but that shouldn't be the case. Each action should cost something to the player, and then player will need to act accordingly. So I decided, since our character is a robot, we can introduce some energy level to the robot, and when it gets to 0, the game is over. So suddenly we are looking at a roguelite game, I guess. Yeah, I mean, this is my game. And also I decided to, not now, but eventually, like in the near future, I will create a Steam page for this game, and I will put a price tag on it eventually. Eventually this will be a game that I will be putting up for sale. Yeah, that is the natural course of the life of a game. So I wanna experience everything. Yeah, that is it. And the other thing that I wanna show is I started, uh, you know, experimenting with lights like this. You see, there are some lights, there are some shadows. It is looking very ugly right now. And also normals. You see the robot has a normal now, has a normal map. And some tiles here on this part of the map has some normal maps compared to these sprites. They are flat, they are just painting in the ground, but here they have some kind of volume. So I'm experimenting with these. I have still some issues like these lines happening around each tile, each sprite, because the normal maps, I need to kind of learn how to work on the normal maps, but those are all some things to get excited about. Anyway, here we are. Before all those stuff, I'm gonna create a energy and create a hood, maybe show the artifact and show the energy level, and then we will take it from there. So let's do, this is the artifact canvas. Let's create another user interface. And for this one, I'm gonna say you will have a margin box, margin container. Does it have a anchor? Top left. Does it have an anchor? Really? Why I don't see it? I don't see it at all. Anyway, let's put an let's put an artifact in it. Holy moly, what happened there? And this is type player. Therefore, I don't see the thing at all. Okay. HUD. Hello, Patrick. Welcome. Welcome, welcome. Levels UI. New folder. Where is the new folder? Create folder. HUD. and put it there. Add a script. Avatars. Nice. Yes. There we go. Patrick is my savior. Where is my Steam? Steam doesn't show. Okay, Steam is here. Avatars. Dun, dun, dun, dun, dun, dun, dun. I decided to add an energy state to the game. Each action, including movement, will cost some energy, will cost some action points, basically. And you will be able to recharge it in the recharge stations. But if you lose your energy to the point, if you deplete, game is over. Do we need this? GD? I don't know. I don't think we need energy. Sorry, what am I talking about? I don't think we need a script for HUD. What I was going to do is I was going to add the HUD to here. So it will be visible at all times. Like this. We have it showing all the time, but it shouldn't disappear. Wait. See, that is an issue. Why is it disappearing? What do you mean? You don't have an energy property. Not the players, not the avatars, not the viewers. Not the viewers and not the viewer avatars. We will add the energy to the game, to this game. And for some reason, so it is there, but as soon as I move out of here, we remove the height. If there is no body, return. If the body is interactable, artifact UI toggled. That is it. Interaction available false, artifact UI toggled. But why I am killing that? Let's see one more time. Start menu, go to remote. Here I have my HUD. I have my UI artifact here. The entire thing goes away. Interesting. Aha, that is the problem. So I can make the HUD somewhere else. Then it would never go away. But now, since it is not part of the canvas, okay. Get children. Find what? Let me see. Returns its index. So what we can say is var index of artifact UI. Names are getting weird, but let's say what can I write here? Print canvas. Let me check this first. I will remove this. Let's see. Empty. Artifact UI. So can I get this name? Canvas.find. Can I say, what can I say? What? Variant. The most important type in Godot. What can be a... Wait, how to use this find method? Filter method. I don't know. Let's try. Find artifact UI. Wait. Ah, okay. We can try to find that and print index. Let's see if it works. -1. So it cannot find it. We cannot find it like that. Find. Can I just write it like artifact UI? Something like this. -1. Interesting. How to use GD script, how to use find. Array, name John. How can I find the name John? Find name 0. Wait, what? Find name. Array. Array methods. Find. It doesn't help me. How do I use find? Pick random, pop, remove, resize, rfind. Searches the array in reverse order. Slice, sort. You are putting simple things in it. Variant operator. How can I use find? Find stuff. Print canvas, print artifact UI, find artifact UI. Really? What is happening here? Object is null. Why? Is it because I am destroying it? I am the destroyer of the worlds. That is because. If I remove this, what happens? Object is null. But I see it is not null. It is there. So Canvas has it. Am I referencing it anywhere? Oh yeah, this is not there at all. Local, game, artifact canvas. That is the problem. I don't have this. I'm not using it anywhere. How can I reference it? Find. Can I write a I cannot write anything. I can filter. What does filter do? With the elements for which the method returned true. Returns a new array with the elements. Okay. So what we can do is, I like filter anyway. Better. Callable. So we can make it like this. Do I have to write it? I can do a lambda. Okay, let's do a lambda. Like this. Function item return item.name equals artifact UI. So now I can say artifact UI and then print artifact UI. Let's see what happens now. Ooh. Something bad happened. What happened? Closing thing doesn't have a counterpart. Okay. So here I opened it. Okay, we get it now. This is again. So then I can remove this thing. But I need more permanent references. I would love it much better. If it is an artifact UI, I can move the hood in it again, and then I get the artifact UI here. If there is if artifact UI dot size is bigger than 0, greater than 0, we can destroy the first element there. Does it work? Like this? I don't know. We will see. So now I have my hood. I don't have my artifact UI, but here I can get the artifact UI. And if I move away, artifact UI goes away. Nice. Cool. I can do this. And what we can do is we can always tell if it is opened, we can get the hood, hide the hood. We can always hide the hood here. I will give this a unique name, and on my script I will have an onReady var hood is a control which is hood. Nice. I will say hood.visible equals false, else I will say hood.visible equals true, something like this. So now we can have our hood open, working, whatever. When we open it, hood goes away, this interaction model dialog opens. If we escape, hood comes back. Nice. Okay. Maybe we can also pause the game while that is open, but so far we don't have any penalty or have anything happening in real time as the time goes, so it does not matter. Okay, never mind. Now open the door and move away. We have our thing here. I need to think about giving this a proper background. Yeah. Hood. Come back. Here we are. Margin anchored to top left. And if I say 100, what happens? Nice. I want to make it closer to the middle. Let's say 120. Why not? There we are. I guess this is better. Nah, too much. Let's make it 40, 40. Something like this. And finally, let's put our energy bar. Which I will make it similar to this thing. So I'm gonna duplicate the entire thing. What happens? Name energy level energy, whatever. Scenes energy is not a good battery. Let's call it battery. Let's call it power. Battery. Let's call it battery. Rename battery. And this one is also battery. Scene. This one is also battery GD. When I open this, this is UI battery. This connects to battery GD. Yes, it's here, connected. And we don't need all of this at all. The only thing we need is connect to battery level changed or something like that. Game state, where is it? So go back to game state. Hello? I don't know what happened there. It looks like my microphone connection died for some reason, which is weird and which is not cool at all. I will put it here to see it all the time, to see the things moving. Thank you very much. I was saying you are very kind, and those are very kind words, and I hope the same. And I had to go and pick up the door. Ah, man, come on. The technical issues I'm having is unbelievable. Yeah, looks like my charger didn't charge yesterday, and I lost my texture visibility. I need to modulate it the same. Wait. Come on. Nice. So I'm gonna do it like this. Can you hear me now? Are you here? Did you already left? Oh, my technical difficulties. Unfortunate. Anyway, I'm sorry. I'm so sorry. Now I wanna scale mode, rotate mode, move mode, select mode. I wanna position this to top right. But I want it to do it like this, perhaps. Nice, okay. So I have my health, I have my what artifact. Okay, I can live with this. And I can make this maybe... I can let it have a background. Bong bong. I can make this bigger and somehow apply some background elements. Yeah, let's do it. If I go to this thing, I am here. If I select the colored stuff, colored transparent continuous lines. Yeah. What I can do is I can add layer ground like this, and then I can move it like this. What happened? Oh, there we go. And then if I apply some background like this, what happens? There we go. There we go. My mic. Okay. We can even make the color yellow, I think, for this one. Can we also put it in a box like this? Why not? Let's put it in a box. Let's go to here. For some reference, I will pull my artifact into the scene. Whoa. That is too much. That is big. Never mind. Let's just don't do it. Just maybe we can get the... Let me see. I think this is okay. Jup jup. I need some sound effects. I wanna make sound. Oh. We need... Maybe there will be some enemies. Oh, I'm making scope creep. I'm causing some scope creep here. I don't like the music. It is hard to communicate, guys. I'm not happy. Wait. I want to check one thing. I'm not gonna even try to comment on it, but I can't keep myself away. I'm getting frustrated here. Why am I getting frustrated? I shouldn't get frustrated. I should stay calm and collected. Calm and collected is the way to go. Anyway, let's continue. I have more important stuff to do. Okay. Now let's spend some energy. We can have some energy spending with each action. I still have my mic. Now there is this fear of losing the mic. What the hell? Okay, so with each interaction, where are my interactions? My interactions is picking up script, so player. Pickup transformer. Yeah. So pickup transformer should spend some energy. Should spend some battery level. I'm gonna make this go away. Okay, so then what we need is at the top level for pickup energy usage, pickup energy requirement. Let's say it is 5. Why not? Var transform energy requirement is 10. Why not? Var open door energy requirement is 10. Another 10. Why not? I will just do like this. So here, when we pick up the transformer, we should also have some kind of function change battery level. What am I doing here? Change battery level, change amount, which is an int, and this should say battery level plus equals amount, something like this. And then we can name these as negative values. So Here, when we pick up the transformer, we can say change battery level with energy pickup required. Energy required for pickup. Apply transformation. This is, I guess, we say change battery level to energy required to transform, and then open door. We should have an open door here. If there is a matching, change battery level with energy required to open a door. Okay, so if everything is connected as I expected, now I should see my energy going. And change battery level should emit a signal that battery level changed. Battery level changed dot emit. So we should do this. Then 95, 90, 85. Nice. Open doors 65 because we spent 20 more. So with each, maybe we can have some kind of okay. There can be another feedback happening. Maybe I shouldn't let my... I only have 25 more energy. Maybe not today, but tomorrow I can distribute a build. Why am I being bothered? Yeah. Oh man. Hello. Please distract me, guys. I need some refocus. I need some refocus event. Okay, let's do the refocus. Let's do stretch. I'm gonna close this thing actually. This computer is not helping me at all right now. I don't like the conversation going on. I wanna quit all the distractions here. Okay. Now the thing is, when we are out of energy, we should say game over. And then give a restart. So we will have a similar thing like UI, game over UI. It is going to be the similar to main menu. So we can maybe duplicate this. Game over. Yeah. And then this game over will have a rename. Game over scene. This game over scene is game over, which should be I don't care about this at the moment. I'm just trying to make it somewhat different. This button we don't need at all. And this button is, let's call it restart. And then maybe we can have a quit button all together. So it says restart. And then we can have another button here called quit. Quit. And let's put them into a VBox. Like this. And then we can move this all the way over here and make it bigger. Maybe like this. Yeah, why not? And then this thing is, oh, this is a button. This is a button with a 9 patch rect. Okay, that makes sense. And that is a, these are both connected to disconnect, and this one is quit, disconnect, and that's, we will disconnect this, game over, rename this to game over.gd, and we will connect it to game over.gd. So then on ready we will have VBox container böyle restart. This is restart button. And this will be quit button. Why do I need reference to these? Wait, I don't need reference to these. Why do I need this? I think I need this string on my game, and I will edit here like this thing, and I will say game over UI path as this one. And whenever that is so we will go to our game state. We will have a signal game over. On the change battery level, we will also signal if battery level is less than 0, less than or equal to 0. We will also emit game over dot emit, something like this. And then on our game script, we will attach game over signal dot connect to on game over. So then this will have a on game over method, which will do this basically. What we are going to do is get 3.pause, for example. This is the first thing. Secondly, technically, we will do var game over UI equals load game over. Wait, this thing dot instantiate and artifact canvas dot add child, something like this. Add child game over UI. And on the game state, we will have also some buttons like start button, clicked, signal start button signals. We have a couple of buttons: signal restart button clicked and signal quit button clicked. I'm gonna refactor this document later. So when restart button clicked, now we will go to our game over scene. Game over. This button, when it is pressed, we will connect it to this thing. On restart pressed, we will say game state dot restart button click dot emit. I don't even need this. I don't even need these at all. And then the same for quit button. When it is pressed, we are gonna say game state dot quit button click dot emit. That's it. I shall do the same for the start menu, start button. So this thing on start clicked. Who is listening to this? I don't think anyone is listening to this. Main. Ah, main does it. Yeah. Yeah. Restart. Restart, but on the level. I should reset everything. Never mind. We will figure this out. We figure that out. And here on game, I guess I'm going to connect to I'm going to also connect to game state dot restart button clicked dot connect on restart click, and then we will connect the quit button clicked as well on quit clicked, like this. So we will have on restart clicked. If restart is clicked, what we are going to do, we are going to clear levels, levels dot get children, and for level in levels, I'm gonna level dot queue free destroy it, and then not this one, main, not this one, this thing. We are gonna do this basically. And then No. Game. This. On restart click, it should be this. And function on quit clicked. Come on, you can give me code completion. Okay. Is it like get tree.destroy or quit? Quits the application. Okay, so let's try it. Start. We are here. I have my energy. Okay, let's do this. Open the door. I have 65. And then I come here. I go. Maybe I click some wrong buttons. Oh, what I'm going to do? It's game over. Now I need to restart or quit. If I quit, it goes away. If I come back, let's pick this up. Let's open the first door, but then I need to, oh, what am I going to do? I can just move upside down. I restart. Nothing happens. Because what? Unable to iterate on object of type object. Okay, this didn't work. Levels is this. So let's put a breakpoint here. Let's restart. Let's get my remote. Here I have my levels. I have my level 1. I pick these things up. I have 85. I spent bunch of, let me see. I have 5 and the next button will be game over. I have my level 1 here. If I restart, we get to the breakpoint. I still have my level 1 here. Come on, you can go away. You can go away. So here we are. Levels is this. Yes. Can we move in? Step into. What happened? Unable to iterate on object of type. Ah, what the hell? What am I doing here? Const children equals. What the hell? I should have done this. Var. Yeah, I should have done this actually. This is weird. The syntax is weird. I still need to do some getting used to. Okay, restart. Come on. Wait, what? What was broken? active level. I need to set the active level as well, perhaps. But I didn't change it at all. What was the error, man? Come on, clear. I want to here. I want to have a thing here. Come on, let's figure this out. Restart. Okay. Children. We have children. If you step into this, we get here. Level is this, which is the door. Nice, level 1. So destroy it. Okay, we destroyed it. Nice. So I load the current level. Tile map is null. Wait, what? What the hell? Look at this. Why are they all null? Where's my current level? They are all null. I need to pick up this, guys. I will be in a minute. I will be back in a minute. Alo? Merhaba hocam, nasılsınız? Tamam, tamam hocam. İnşallah, inşallah. Sağ olun hocam, sağ olun. Çok çok teşekkür ederim. Çok iyi ettiniz aramakla. Çok sağ olun. İnşallah hocam, inşallah. İnşallah yolunuz da düşer. Görüşürüz. Kendinize iyi bakın. Harika olur, harika olur. Tamam. Sağ olun hocam, sağ olun. Kendinize iyi bakın. Görüşmek üzere. Okay, so we have an interesting case here, and I'm sorry for the phone calls happening. A dear friend of mine called, and I had to pick it up. I didn't want to delay it. Do we have the mic? Okay. For some reason, when we drop this, maybe is there a reset kind of thing? The first time we instantiate current level from this thing and then add child. If I, for some reason, let's say Q3 and then wait for 2 seconds or something, right? Let's do it like that. And put a breakpoint here. Let's try to see what happens. If I do game over, so now if I restart, okay. I need to change. Oh, maybe. Wait. I'm gonna do a couple of things. Close. First of all, game state. Here. My artifact will be starting, let's call it starting artifact, and then we will call var artifact is another dictionary, which is going to be the starting artifact. Come on. Secondly, here on restart, where was it? On my game here. Game. I wanna do game state dot artifact equals game state dot starting artifact, and game state dot battery level equals 100. We can refactor it later, it doesn't matter. I just want to have some working thing. And then if I spend all my energy, Why is it 0? For some reason, can we go to game state now? It is 100. Active level is 1. These are okay. If I step into this, that is the thing that is interesting. Now all of a sudden, let's say on ready here, let me do this. Print tile map, print doors. I will put it here. I will remove it from here. Let's see what happens. Okay, continue please. So let's pick 2. Now I have 90. Okay, we are dead. Now I restart. And I am here. Okay, it has everything. For every door, wait, where are we? Oh, I need to make this go away. Wait. What's happening? I'm writing gibberish. Ah, come on. Can we just remove the breakpoints? Maybe it is working. Maybe I need to... Let's do it. On game ready, I'm gonna make where did I make this game over UI? Game over UI. Where is the game over? Game over. So we are going to do this again. On ready, I'm doing this. Canvas. We should change the name of course, but we can do it later. So now game over UI. I'm looking for game over UI. Game over. If it is bigger than this, remove it. Let's see. Okay, it's happening, and we can pick these up, and then we can spend some energy, and we spent a lot of energy, so game over. Restart. Go away, please. You don't go away. Okay, this didn't go away. Why? Okay, at least we know it is working, but we couldn't catch this. And my energy is not working. On my HUD, on my main, on my game over, on my artifact, on my battery. What is the battery level? Battery level is 100. Restart. We don't get it again. We cannot restart the thing. Is there something? Maybe there is an easy way to this. Let's see. My node 2D. Maybe this node 2D has a method to call restart, reset. Is there a reset thing? Inherits from canvas item. Methods. Q redraw. Use the canvas item to redraw. Interesting. Node. Let's try this, right? On reset, I don't have to do any of this. Perhaps I can just self.redraw. Q redraw. What the hell? Maybe? Is it that simple? I don't know. Restart. No? Yeah, it is redrawn. Quit. Wait. I don't understand, man. Come on, help me. Help me, please. Restart. No. Quit. I don't like it. Maybe not the redraw. So, maybe not redraw. GD script. Q redraw. Reset. Reset level. Godot reset. Reload current scene. Oh. So, I do all of this. I do these at the top. And then instead of all these bullshittery, do I say get 3 reload current scene? Reloads the currently active scene, which is the game. Returns OK on success. Yeah, I think so. If I get current scene, what happens then? Here, game is my current scene. Let's say restart. Oh shit, no. And I cannot click this again. Why? What the hell? What am I missing? Why is this so hard? Main menu. It is this thing. What we can do is like we did here. On main menu. Hey Captain Fubar, welcome. I'm trying a rather interesting thing. I am doing just fine. Thank you very much. How are you? How are you? I am working on something very interesting, and I need to. Weather is amazing. Nice, nice. The weather was amazing here over the weekend, but then all of a sudden, with Monday, it became like winter again. Living in Portugal. Oh, nice. I have a couple of friends living in Portugal. People I worked with actually, and I know from them they were. Of course, it's a big country, but they were joining to meetings from the beach from time to time while we are sitting in our heavy clothing. So I know how it can be in Portugal. Yeah, that is great. And one of them was actually in one of the islands, right? I am not mistaken, right? So it was always like beach and sunbathing for him. Yeah, that was very cool. I'm trying to. Yeah, probably. I think it was Madeira. Yeah, but I'm not sure. It was like a couple of years ago. I'm trying to restart the game. the game, so the level starts here. I want to return to this. I want to return to this state of the artifact. I want to return to this state of the battery level. I implemented some basic logic that each action, like pickups, drain the battery a bit, and then using transformations drains the battery, and opening the door drains the battery. Now I only have 10 HP left. Let's say it's an HP. And then when I use it and I am 0, I get a game over. Then I restart and it brings me to this. Because I made kind of a silly architecture here, which is kind of weird. It loads the current scene, but my current scene is this. And my current scene just dynamically changes what is in it. So that is an issue. Let's see. My current scene right now is this, right? This main, and it has a main menu. When I click this, the main menu goes away and game replaces it. So when I reload this thing, I start with the main menu. But the problem is, I can still be okay with it at this point. But the problem with that is, for some reason, this button doesn't work anymore. For some reason. Oh yeah. Yeah, I know. I think I'm just being silly and fooling around. I'm trying to, you know, learn stuff. But for some reason, my learning attempts making it more complicated. I wanna complete this. Complete meaning feature complete or some main game loop. So when you drop to 0, you can restart, and then there will be some basic door puzzles you will open, and maybe you will find some collectibles, something like that. And I wanna put it on each IO and ask people to play it. You can have UI residing in an auto-loaded singleton. Oh yeah, actually. Yeah. Disadvantage? It looks like there's a disadvantage. Maybe I can make it like that. Ah, so when you said advantage, I thought there is a disadvantage as well. Okay, maybe I can do that. But for now, first I want to make this start button clicked on my main menu. Here, when this thing clicked, I wanna say I wasn't using this at all, right? Or was I? On main. Ah. And then I need to put function ready, connect it to game state, start button click dot connect to on start clicked or something, and then we should change the name here. You don't need to be concerned with the node order. That is actually a very good idea. I can definitely do that. So instead of, I will always load my scene, right? I will always load my game. And then when the game first opens, I will show the main menu on top of it. And I will re-show it if player clicks return to main menu or something like that. Yeah. So instead of doing this thing, I will just load the level. But what if loading the level is like a taxing thing, and I wanna load it only when player clicks play? I still think I should be able to restart at a certain level. So I'm doing everything. I'm doing this just to use reload current scene. I want to be able to load scene and be happy with it. Does it make sense? I think it makes sense. So I'm okay with not destroying main menu here. I am okay with making it visible and whatnot. Auto-loaded singleton scene. And how do I bring it forth? I just make it that visible equals true or something. So if I understand correctly, for example, there is this main menu, right? Hello, Patrick. So I go to this main menu. I say this one on my project settings, auto load. Transition it to invisible. Yeah, that's actually very nice. I made this thing that animates a black fading, modulating, and I use it as a transition between scenes at the moment. So never mind. I get this main menu dot scene as a variable, edit. So it's a global now. And here in my main, I will not have this anymore. I shouldn't need this. I can delete this actually. And here on my main, I will say main menu dot visible equals true, right? And I don't need to remove it. I will do main menu dot visible equals false, something like this. Let's go to main menu and miscellaneous color rect. Root main menu color rect. Okay. Root main menu button. Nice. Start menu. Root main menu start. Nice. Okay, I'm getting these. Transition manager color rect. We are catching the transition manager color rect. What the hell? It is not going away. Why? Oh, why? Game. When you click restart, what is happening? Reload the current scene. Reload the current scene does this. Transition manager play fade animation. Color rect visible true. Okay, wait. It is not. How is it being destroyed in the first scene then? In the first thing, main. Am I destroying the transition manager here? Maybe in the game? No, I don't think so. Where's my transition manager? I will search transition manager. Where do I reference this thing? In the game and here. So I play the fade animation. I don't do anything else. I guess there is a Z index or something. Transition manager. Here. Here it is. Oh, we need to maybe... Yeah. Mouse. Ignore. This. Okay. Cool. Let's see. Let's see if this works again. Okay. So what we can do is, instead of restart, if I say main menu, it would work. Nice. So we are back at 100. Nice. But what if clicking this takes me here? Let's figure that out. Now clicking reset now does this. So what I have done before was this. So I play the animation, the same thing basically happening over here. Game instance, load the game instance, load the level. Maybe that is the thing. Main menu, game. I wanna remove everything first, and then I still have my default level path here on my game ready. The same thing I'm doing here. I empty my levels and then put the level there again. So in my opinion this should be working, but for some reason it is not. Okay, restart. 0. You see it is loaded. Actually it is loaded. That is fine. But the game state is not changed. Oh, wait. It was correct. The only thing is the UI didn't change. Okay, so it was working. Hello Bookish Tales. Hi. Welcome. You are back indeed. So this didn't work. So before this stuff happening, maybe I can do the... Yeah, I remember you. I remember the handle, the nickname. But the rest of the details evades me. Yeah. So we are not catching this. We still have game over UI. Do we have it? And I wanna also check this on ready. Does this get battery ready? Oh, what's happening? No, we pivoted to something else. So battery ready, we get this battery ready here, and I decided to do something that with a smaller scope and that I can indeed maybe finish and build iteratively. So these are not reiterated. I still have my game over. Yes. That is my own creation from my own ideas. Apart from the asset packs, assets, I found them online on the internet and did some modifications. I'm still doing my own designs and whatnot, my own modifications. But I didn't start from scratch. The tile sheet is entirely separate thing. So I can click this all the times. And if I collect these, this is not resetting and we cannot remove the game over UI. You learned how to code? Well, I started, I don't know, like many years ago with this. I can show you. But before that, I think the most structured learning I had was from Free Code Camp. I learned eventually JavaScript and then modern web frameworks. But I am pretty much like I was always coding since I was 10 years old or something. I started with Pascal. I am not sure if many people nowadays know this. Pascal programming language. There we go. Designed by Nicholas. I didn't know these details, for example. Yeah. I started with this first. Because there was Delphi. There was a Delphi program software. There was this thing back in my day. So in order to write in this, I learned Pascal and I was using Delphi for UI forms, whatever. Yeah. And then I wrote some stuff in PHP and then some C#, and then I dived into .NET and stuff, but they were like not very serious. In university, I worked with Fortran, and then I forgot all about coding for a couple of years, and then I learned like seriously, professionally, how to code in JavaScript. And now I'm doing GD script and game dev. That is cool. And why is this not updating? It should update. It should at least get this. This should be triggering. Maybe I should trigger this. Maybe I should trigger this. Oh yeah. Maybe I should do change battery level 100. Yeah. Maybe I should do this. No. I can't. I should say battery level 100 because we could be at minus. And then I should signal game state battery level change dot emit here. And then I should also change game state dot artifact transformed dot emit. Something like this. So let's leave it on a different position. Restart. Nice. Okay. We are restarting. And then the only thing left is to get rid of this game over screen. And we can put it as another global. So based on the situation, we can make it visible or not. But I'm still not happy with it not getting destroyed. Am I trying to destroy it at all? Game over UI. I add it to the child, to the canvas. But here, when I get the canvas children, am I getting it at all? I'm not. It is not there. Artifact canvas. I have it. Print canvas. Let me see what do we have here. Canvas elements, something like that. Game over. Let's see if we have it there. Start. Canvas elements are hood and nothing else. Go is empty. That is cool. And now let's game over, restart. There we go. That code never runs. So okay. So this means wait. Can I do reload current scene on self? No. Let me read. Let me read. Not 2D. Because this should be fairly simple. It is like draw. What is draw? Called when has been requested to redraw. Q redraw. Maybe I should do. So if I redraw, do we get to call ready again? Can I do it? I am not sure. I'm just doing bunch of weird stuff. No, ready. We didn't get ready again. So Q redraw doesn't work. Draw? Does draw work? Is it draw or underscore draw? Yes, we get these. Do we get ready called again? Draw does not exist. Okay. Is it draw? I'm gonna delete this 2-second timeout. But it's a signal. Okay. Let me go canvas item. Get transform, get hide. Move to front. Q redraw, show. Q redraw seems like a sensible thing. Node has a ready. Aha. Should I call the ready itself? Replace, reparent, update, set. Nope. Remove Q free. Maybe I can call ready again. Does it make sense? Does it is it an anti-pattern? Can it be an anti-pattern thing? If I called ready, object init. I don't think so. Connect, no. Get has set remove to. No. Can I call ready? Maybe. What am I looking at? Node 2D. Node. Where is it? There is no Node 2D here. Game Node 2D is a canvas node. Okay. Enter tree, exit tree. So it never leaves the tree. That is why these are not called. But we can call the get. Ready. Can I do that? Maybe. Self dot ready. Like this. Maybe. If I call it, then I don't have to do this there. I don't have to do this here. Start. I have my game, I have my level, and I have this. So I do this. I have my level. I have my hood invisible, artifact UI still visible but game over. And I can move. That's another problem. I should not make it possible. So restart removes game over. No. It didn't work. Okay, never mind. I fucked it up. I shouldn't call ready. Okay, looks like we are going to do game over as a global, like we did with main menu.